Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, you can just see ukuthi uJudge Ratha manje ukwatela umnisi. I think into yabo stems or comes from after letho uAbsalom Mzungu noGwabini. Yeah, just because uAbsalom Mzungu kathi uJudge Ratha awuthuli. You understand? Ave isa uJudge Ratha. uRatha udelela like you've never seen. He's so rude, oh my word. And then just cut, he's supposed to be a leader. I control the whole situation that's happening there in the course. The next thing, umuntu uzothi ene kumnisi thula wena, shut up. Who even says that? This is one omnisi ngasamhloniphi. The other day uthe wena futhi mnisi you were comparing me here, busy pointing at me a week ago. I was just like, bro, like when you are petty, actually. I've decided because you could have just told Mnisi that last week, last week, not today. Like, you understand my point? So I'm just like, Ratha, like he's so rude. Oh my word. Ratha is just straight up rude. Oh my word. Like for example, Gulolanje statement and uti Ratha okay ke. Ubaloyi fanele approve a statement before the ruling. But now the problem is that Umnisi is arguing that before the ruling, that statement situation and the ruling must come from the judge, not from Ubaloyi. Ubaloyi. His time is actually done, Ubaloyi. That is why he is like this. Kodwa-ke shut up was uncalled for. There was no need for it. So umnisi-ke mese esho ukuthi ene Ubaloyi is so childish. Oh my gosh. Actually, uNxumalo ubuzile ukuthi the document ufunda kuyona iphi ngoba mina I don't have it. Abesithi Ubaloyi I did give it to you guys a day before you were not interested. Not anything like that, guys. Abesasukuma umnisi-ke to defend, obviously, a defense ukuthi, you know what, please, Brad, it's not like that. But we were not interested. What are you even on about? You know? I told Ratha, shut up. Correct, Marcus. I'm making the remarks, shut up. You guys are acting like children. And who you guys are acting like children is for the defense. It's not necessarily for the state. Ratha Borkas.
Down a statement. He transferred what accused number one was saying to this document, the statement that is being referred to. This issue is very crucial. And we are going to refer to the statement in greater detail at a later stage.
Please, I'm making a ruling. Prove it.
If it is, I'm sorry, Mark.
Prove the statement.
If it is necessary, the point need to be argued.
Yeah, right.
And we'll suggest that heads be filed. We'll agree on a timetable to argue this specific point.
Yes, Mr. Minister.
The state is making an order, a ruling that, the court's making a ruling that the state must prove the statement. The state comes out through Mr. Baloyi and saying, no, if it needs to be, we can file heads and argue this point. That's not what the court is saying. And even so, that suggestion or that ruling must also come from the court, not from the state. It must come from the presiding officer. The court is now saying, Mr. Baloyi, can you proceed to prove the statement? He must do that.
No, fine, but if he wants to file heads, he can do that.
Yes.
If he wants to file heads.
Thank you, Madam.
Right. Sure.
We leave that point there for now. But as I say, my lord, the main thrust of the state cross-examination will be based on this statement, my lord. But
so you want to first file your
yes, no. We can traverse the issue at the later stage.
Okay, fine.
Mr. Zungu, so you did not give your address as end section in a document that's dated 24 June 2020.
No, that is incorrect again, my lord. That is incorrect. Mr. Baloyi is getting into the content of the statement. He must prove it. He cannot begin to ask even the name that is written in the statement before he begins, before he has proven it. He cannot touch that statement before he has proven it. He must prove it, and he needs to prove it.
Okay. Well, my lord, as I say, at this point, we need not engage with the statement. We'll do so at a later stage. Mr. Zungu, what we want to find out from you, you say you were staying in the S section and not the N section, is that correct?
Okwamanje ku-double statement uzobe luye kwake uzophinde kubuyele kulona-ke ungabe uthi-ke kubufakazi bakho wawungahlali-ke e-N kodwa uhlale S.
N bengidla khona kuphela.
Yes, at the N section, that's where I only used to go and eat.
And in your evidence in chief, you haven't referred to the N section.
Nkathi-ke uthula ubufakazi bakho sukela nje uqalileke sukela ngomsombuluko awukaze nje ukhulume lutho nge-N. I haven't referred to the N section.
Right. You testify that you were arrested in June 2020 on a Monday. And you testify that when you were placed in the cells at Primrose, it was on a Tuesday morning, is that correct?
Kubufakazi bakho ushilo ukuthi waboshwa-ke kungomsombuluko ekuseni kodwa-ke kungomsombuluko ebusuku kodwa-ke uma ngabe usufakwa-ke emaselini ePrimrose kwenzeka lokho kungoLwesibili. Yes.
Now, the state is in possession of the cell register from Primrose Police Station with your name. It indicates your name. It's entry 145, Mr. Sifiso Zungu. Says age 29, male. The date is the 23rd of June 2020. Will that be correct?
Lana-ke siphethe incwadi-ke yasemaphoyiseni eyakhona-ke ePrimrose eshoyo-ke lapho uma-ke ufakwa-ke emaseleni kuyabhalwa-ke lapho imininingwane ukuthi-ke umnumzana uSifiso Zungu iminyaka-ke iminyaka u-29, age 29.
And the date is indicated. It's the name, the age, the gender, and the date of the 23rd of June 2020.
Idate-ke kwakungeyi-23 zikaJune 2020. Incwadi-ke leyana umuntu uma engena-ke epolice station. Okay, ngikaphendule.
Yes, sir.
I'm completely lost now. I don't know which document is the state referring to.
Which one?
I'm completely lost. I don't know which document is the state referring to. I don't have it.
No, that's a cell register.
I don't have the copy of the cell register.
Yeah, will you make copies?
Yesterday, I showed the defense these documents, the cell register, and no one was interested in the.
You showed them yesterday?
Yes, no one asked copies of the cell register. No one was interested, but we'll make copies for them. We are also in possession of the occurrence book.
It is incorrect, Madam. Objection. It is incorrect that we were not interested in them. We asked specific questions from Mr. Baloyi on which he failed to respond. And then we said, okay, let us leave that issue there. Not like we're not interested. We asked a pertinent issue on the relevance of his document, and then Mr. Baloyi wasn't able to give us the answers.
Let's adjourn and you make copies.
Thank you, Madam.
Hey, you know, I'm shocked at the behavior of advocates. Shocked.
We also shocked, Madam. In as much as
Behaving like children.
No, we also
No,
shocked.
no, I'm making the remarks.
Yes, my lord. We
And you
also
shut up.
shocked.
You shut up. I'm making the remarks.
Thank you, my lord. Shut up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm shocked.
Yes.
One advocate says, I showed them, nobody was arrested, interested. No, he never showed us. We asked questions, blah, blah. And we are all court officers. Go to the agenda.